Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you this journal that I just finished making. I used a beautiful kit by Artie Mays. It's called Foxglove Bliss, and she had a lot of the purples and mauves and violets in it, so those are the colors that I try to use. It is a hardback. It's got fabric on the outside. I've got these little protectors. I've got a Tim Holtz thingy with a bulldog clip holding it closed. It's got some lace. The measurement is 5 3/4 by 8 1/4. It's a 1.5 inch spine. And it's got 2 signatures. It's got 64 pages plus, the doily and the envelopes that are inside. Lots of lace, lots of trims, and cheesecloth, and buttons, and beads, and just a lot of yumminess. And I got a couple of charms. So on the cover, I just did a layered background. I made the tatting, and I think it just went well. I colored a lot of the laces and the cheesecloth to match the colors that were being used. So that was a lot of fun. I still have some pink fingernails. And that's a fabric flower somebody made. So here is her beautiful, beautiful colors DigiKit. I've got a Tyvek reinforced chipboard, and a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and some fabric and some lace, all here on the spine to help reinforce it. I left this plain so you can do, what you like. Also, I have a hard time covering that up. It's too pretty. So I've got the coffee stained papers, and a lot of them have like a little doily design where I put lace down or doilies down. I've got the Lindy's sprays on them. I've got stamping, I've got stenciling, and I've got stitching. I try to find colors that would match, the colors of the pages. So this is a mixed media tag that I did. So it's got texture paste and just a lot of texture and yumminess. And I left the back this way because I thought it was pretty, and you can still write and see through all the colors that transferred. A little clip. Here's a little butterfly button. It's wooden. So we've got a lot of laces. Oh, and this is part of a pocket, but instead, envelope. This is an envelope. This is what it's supposed to be. But I cut these off and made it into a flip just for some writing space. And I did some stenciling. It's another one of her pages. She's got bees and butterflies. It's so pretty. So here's a page that I collaged. I got a little Edith Holden, and I got some bling and some sari silk that I colored. And here you can see, Dolly came out pretty good on this page. You got a lot of writing space. And here's a pocket that I shrunk down. It's supposed to be this size. It was that size, and I shrunk it down because I like mini things. They're cute. A little piece of paper to write on in there. And then I made a bunch of cluster tuck spots with her banners. That's a fabric cloth button there I found in my stash. Here's a little charm that says love. So these are her tickets, and I made a belly band out of it and just added lace. And here's one of her cards and a little journaling. So this was a tag that that came with the kit, and I cut off the top part, and I used that elsewhere. So you can manipulate these any which way you like. It's a fantastic day to be fabulous, as always. So we got doilies, laces and trims. And here, a little flip out, and it says, "It's not what you look at that matters, it's what you see." Henry David Thoreau. And so this got a little tuck spot in there, a little card to journal on. And then here, I did a little tag with some napkin decoupage. To be admitted to nature's hearth costs nothing. None is excluded, but excludes himself. You have only to push aside the curtain. HDT. I'm going to do that from now on. His name is way too long. So this time I added a lot of bling just to dress things up, and I really like the way it looks. And here's the top of that tag that I mentioned, you know, so I just used it as a collage piece. I don't throw anything away if I can help it. So here's a little napkin decoupage, and I dyed some seam binding to try to match the colors. And this is an envelope that I just altered, redecorated, collaged on, however you want to say it. And just try to match that. We got some purples, little collages, another little decoupaged, not decoupaged, but a collage texture paste, you know, mixed media tag, lace, seam binding. And then here's one of her pretty pages and her tags. So I love the colors on this page too. So here's one of her tags. And then we have a little tuck spot hiding back there. And just a little paper to, and I grunged it up. It didn't go through the dryer. I did that on purpose because I like grunge and aged and vintage. So it's got a lot of color and bling on this one. Am I skipping one? No. It's got a little bling there. And I colored some of these flowers. Believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. Yeah. My collage. A scrappy belly band, and this was one of their tags that came with the kit. It was huge. I love it. So I was able to do some collaging on that. One of her pockets, I colored the butterfly. That's why it really helps to get white. And then you can just color it any color you want. Yeah. It's a little cluster. Find beauty in the simple things. So this is a little flip up. And that's my tatting that I made. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. And so you got writing space. And tuck spot. That's a pocket. Here's a tag that goes in it. And this was cardstock that I ran through the embosser and then did a light coat of ink on top just to make it pop a little. And this one has a charm that says inspire. That's a beautiful one of our pages. And another one. So here's another paper to write on that I aged, you know, and crumbled and stuff. And then, of course, you can still write on all of that if you wanted to. And of course, I left you a lot of space. If you can imagine it, you can achieve it. If you can dream it, you can become it. So, on our pretty cards. Clusters and buttons. I got to get some more buttons. I think I used all my purples up. Some of those flowers. And then here's a tag. And here's an envelope that I didn't put anything in, so I thought I'd save that for you. You got to have something to store, right? So you can go in there. There's some more of that trim like I used on the cover. So one of her well, that's a little, is that a pocket? Yeah, I would call that a pocket. And I got some stenciling. What? Come on there. There we go. Another one of our tags. Life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. I got an Edith Holden page in there because I thought the colors all matched. It was real pretty. One of her little tickets. Some paper to write on. Tuck in your little notes. It's a glassine bag, and I left this undecorated so that you can see this through it, but you can definitely do what you like. I did decorate the inside. I am grateful for what I have. My Thanksgiving is perpetual. HDT. I'm not saying his whole name 20 times. Henry David Thoreau. So here's another pretty picture that I like. It's got the mauves and the purples in it. So these are laces that I colored. Another little tuck spot, one of her cards. Do small things with great love. A little stenciling and stamping. Just covered that one all up, didn't I? But you can still write over it. And here's a little coin thingy that came with the kit. I just added the brads and the little circles. And here's something to write on. We'll put that there. Here's another little pocket. I love this little button. I don't know if you can see, it's like a ton of little beads. Got a little butterfly. And here's another little ticket tuck spot with a little paper envelope. And got some stamping, and this was an envelope that I covered with papers. So here's one of her tags. Enjoy the little things in life. And here is one of her journaling. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. And so inside here, I did a little napkin decoupage on the paper. And this was part of her kit, but this was part of Antique Papery's kit. But the colors went so well. Hope they don't mind. And this is a little rose charm. Here's a little tag. Here's a little envelope writing spot. A collector. A little postcard. Here's another page I decorated. A little Edith Holden. Got some bling. Got some pretty flowers. Got some eyelash. Got a whole lot going on. And that's the last page. And I went ahead and stuck that there. That's some more that I colored. You can see the lace. You can see the thingamabob from Tim Holtz. So that is it. I hope I'm in frame this time because this is the third time shooting and my back is killing me. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspires you to create and give you some ideas on what you can do. And I hope you all are doing well and have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye-bye.